In this video chat, we're not in a video chat. Hi. Looking better on video chat isn't that complicated. By the time you're done watching this video, you'll have some practical tips you can use on your next video chat. Let's get started talking about the elephant in the room. You know what I'm talking about. The low camera angle with the camera tilted up. All you can see is their head and the ceiling. It's all ceiling. Why are we doing this view? Luckily, there is a simple fix that will make you look better on video chat. You want your camera eye level to you. You can get creative with how you lift your camera. You can use a stack of books, you can adjust the height of your desk, or just use some toilet paper. On a plus side, when your camera is eye level, it's easier to make eye contact. And the more eye contact you make with the camera, the more authentic and genuine you seem. Let's try a little experiment. Which of these looks more authentic? A, I love shooting and creating. Capturing natural moments is one of my favorite things to do. Or B, I love shooting and creating. Capturing natural moments is one of my favorite things to do. At eye level, it looks great, but if you want to look a little bit thinner to cover up your jaw a little bit more, simply lift your camera up and tilt it down a little bit. Just don't go too high up, because if you go too far up, then it just gets really awkward. So we covered some camera position. Let's talk about body positioning. Whatever part of your body is closest to the camera will look the biggest. When I lean back, my chest, stomach, and chin are closest to the camera and they appear bigger. When I lean forward, all of a sudden, all that goes away and my face and my eyes get closer to the camera, so people are more concentrated on what you're talking about than what your body looks like. The same is true when you're taking photos. You always want to be leaning forward in photos. So remember, simply lean forward and keep your camera at eye level or slightly higher. It's that simple. You've got this. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips on how to improve your video game, then be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Until next time, peace!